Are you a black business? Are you a black business owner based in the UK? I have great news for you. Do you know you can apply for grants ranging from £3,000 to £15,000? Yes. If this is something that you're interested in, please keep on watching till the end. First and foremost, please like this video if you haven't. Click on the like button. Biko Kwan. It costs you nothing. Now just like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Subscribing is free now. You don't get to pay for it now. Biko Kwan. At least for all my efforts now, just go ahead and subscribe. Click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I drop juicy videos on my channel. Where are you watching from? Please introduce yourself in the comments below. I want to meet you. Yes, so I want to meet every single one of you. And so it's time for me to introduce myself. So my name is Miriam. I am a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur, a fashion designer, and a YouTuber. I am based in California. I drop 2 videos every week, except for grant videos. Yes, for grant videos because they have deadlines. I have to post a lot of them. Like I have to post them as they come. Yes, so you can expect much more than 2 videos per week from me on this channel. So Biko, if you have friends that are business owners in the UK, please go ahead and share this video. Share this video. I'm sure you know somebody in the UK, your uncle, your auntie, your friend, your sister, your brother, that your family member, that your something, whatever it is, just go ahead and share this video with them. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. Share this on your WhatsApp group, in your Facebook groups, in your church groups, in your mosque group, on your WhatsApp status, even in Clubhouse. Go ahead and share this video with your friends. So let's go right into today's topic. Trust me, I do all my due diligence before I make a video about any subject matter on my channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you. You guys are the real MVP. I see the way you share my videos. I see the like, the love, the care. You guys are too much. Sometimes you want to make me cry. Thank you so much. I appreciate you from the depths of my heart. God bless you all. I see you. God bless you. Okay, one more thing is this. There are no stupid questions on my channel. Yeah, so please feel free to ask your questions, leave a comment, and express yourself on my channel. And I'll be more than happy to respond to every single one of you. So I'll be sharing a number of resources that provide lots of opportunities for students, for business owners, and professionals on this channel. Yes, you heard me right. You know your girl now. I've got you guys covered. So let's go straight to today's topic. The Welsh Government Wales and Africa Grant Scheme has launched a grant program to enable community groups and organizations throughout Wales access funding for small-scale Africa projects. Now, the Wales and Africa Grant Scheme is a flagship initiative of the Welsh Government's Wales and Africa program. The scheme enables community groups and organizations in Wales to access funding for small-scale projects that contribute to Wales' delivery of the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals and deliver benefits to Wales and Africa. Now, grants are available from £3,000 to £15,000. There's a £115,000 available for this COVID-19 response grant around. Now, here is the eligibility criteria. Applicants will need to ensure that their organization meets the following criteria. Number 1, the lead applicants must be based within Wales. Yes, so you have to be living within Wales, and all activities should clearly demonstrate a benefit to Wales, and applications should clearly demonstrate a fit with one or more of the 4 thematic areas. Applicants with prior experience of delivering grants-funded activity from the Wales and Africa program should demonstrate the impact of this project and any lessons learned. Individuals cannot apply. However, they may apply through a host organization, the grant agreement, which will be held with the organization. No direct payments will be made from the Wales African Grant Scheme into an individual's bank account. So all relevant purchases to be made with Wales and Africa Grant Scheme funding will consider ethical and fair trade criteria. Now, the grant scheme can be accessed by groups in Wales who work in collaboration with African partners to deliver a diverse range of activities, including building capacity of small Welsh international development NGOs and promoting international development volunteering, promoting best practice in fair trade and ethical procurement across all sectors, and facilitating the work of diaspora communities in Wales to maximize their impact on SDG delivery in the home country, and also health projects. Health projects run for and by people with disabilities. So I will leave the link to these grants in the description as well. So if you are interested, go ahead and start applying ASAP, because this grant is closing soon. Yes, so you don't want to miss it for anything. Go ahead, tell a friend, to tell a friend that resides in the UK about this wonderful opportunity. Yes, so if this video has blessed you, you know how we do it on this channel. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel and leave your comments right after watching. I can't wait to read from you guys. Like I said, there are no stupid questions on my channel. So tell a friend, to tell a friend. Share this on your WhatsApp status, in your WhatsApp group, on your church group, in your mosque group, in all your organizations, whatever group and associations that you belong to. Go ahead and share this video with your friend. You know, sharing is caring now. On this channel, you know how we spill the juices now. You know I don't hoard information. So Biko Kwano, don't hoard the information now. Let's tell a friend, Let's share the word. Yeah, so I have lots and lots of grants videos coming up on this channel. So stay woke and make sure that you turn on the notification bells so you get notified each time I drop a new video. You'll be among the first set to apply for each of these grants once I drop them on my video. Yes, and I want to also seize this opportunity to wish all the applicants in these grants the very best of luck as they apply for these grants. Yes, so I'll see you guys again in my next video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Chassis Everything, and TikTok at Chassis Everything. And for those of you that are interested in joining my Facebook group, it is called Business Moguls. We help to inspire business people to take their business ideas to the next level. So go ahead and go ahead and join the group. You find the link in the description as well, and I'll be more than happy to add you guys right into the group. So I'll see you guys in my next video. But till then, keep winning and keep shining, keep sparkling. Click on the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. I love you guys. Peace out. Bye for now. Mwah. Mwah. Are you a black business owner based in the UK? I have great news for you.